Did you know you can make anywhere from $300 to $500 a day just by typing? And it's so easy. You can do it all from the comfort of your home on your computer. Hello, and welcome to How to Easy Quick. Today, I'm going to show you how to start earning daily income by transcribing audio and video files. This is simple, beginner-friendly, and all you need is your computer and an internet connection. To start, you're going to head over to a website called rev.com. It is a popular platform that pays people to transcribe audio and video files into text. And the best part? You get paid weekly. They pay you based on each minute of audio or video you transcribe or caption, and it can add up quickly. They offer competitive rates, so you could make around $110 or more if you're diligent with your typing. But here's a trick to make it even easier and faster. Head over to Google Docs on your computer. Once you've opened a new document, go to the Tools menu at the top, scroll down and click on Voice Typing. This is a neat feature that types up everything you say. All you'll need is a simple microphone, nothing fancy, just something that allows you to speak clearly. With voice typing activated, you can listen to the audio or video from Rev while repeating what you hear. Google Docs will do the typing for you in real time. It's an amazing time saver and helps you finish your projects faster without straining your fingers. Let's do some quick math here. If you transcribe or caption for about 8 hours a day, you could potentially make over $500 a day, depending on the project rates. And there you have it, an easy way to earn up to $500 a day, right from home, with just a computer and a little bit of patience. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or want to make a serious income, this is a great option to consider. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to How to Easy Quick, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video.